Today is May 1st, and you know what that means. That means today is the silver raid, or advice going out, getting as much physical silver as they can. And I wanted to talk about this because I touched a little bit on the silver price and timing yesterday. Now, recently, there's been a lot of good upward pressure from just general searches on Wall Street silver. The trend looks pretty positive in the most recent week. We've been seeing a lot of strong uptrends here with the Google search. There you can see we hit like a little bit of a bottom on April 4th, and then things just started to skyrocket a little bit. So obviously, there's a lot of interest behind silver and what's happening on Wall Street silver, which is probably a good sign for the silver raid, which is happening today. Here, someone posted, pretty much all of these boxes of silver, monster boxes of silver that they got. And this person must be loaded with cash because I can't imagine being able to do all of that in one sitting. So kudos to whoever is able to do that. That is insane. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up and timing and technicals is because price action looks like it's on the verge of possibly heading not necessarily down, but hitting some consolidation. Price looks like it may come down a little bit, not severely. And I'm just looking at a few different technicals here. First, now this one might be kind of hard to see, but I have a trend line here that's in blue, and the candlesticks. This is a daily chart, by the way. The most recent candlestick closed below that trend line. And usually whenever that happens, and of course it depends on how well you kind of draw the trend line. Mine is, it could be okay. It could be a little bit better, but it looks like it's just breaking below that trend line. And if you take a look at right here, we have Fibonacci. We're breaking a little bit below the 23% level, and looks like we might be headed back down into, as you can see here, this green range. In addition to that, we have the RSI, and the RSI is moving a little bit further down into what might be called fair value. And in addition to that, you have the MACD showing the possibility of, hey, we just hit this high here. This is where that green candlestick is. And we're heading down a little bit more in price, and we may see, some more red days than green days in the future. Now, why is this important and pertinent to today? Well, I think the silver raid might have to do a lot of work in order to beat this price action. From the trend or trajectory it seems to be heading in the near term. Again, you guys know I'm very bullish on silver and gold in the medium to long term, but in the near term, it looks like we might have some downward pressure in the price action. So let me know, guys, are you participating right now in the silver raid? And my main question to you is, if price action continues to head a little bit south on Monday, will that disappoint you, or will that be okay? You were getting into the silver raid just for the heck of it. You wanted to have some silver. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.